Good morning students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 4 of Civics, the role of the state government. In module 3. Dear students, in previous module we have discussed about the healthcare in India. In this module we will talk about the public health services and private health services in India. So first of all, we will talk about the healthcare services in India. Dear students, on the basis of ownership, healthcare services in India can be divided into the following types: public health services and private health services. First of all, we will talk about the public health services. Dear all, public means an activity or service that is meant for all people in the country and is mainly organized by the government. The public health services are provided by a chain of health centers and hospitals throughout the length and breadth of the country. On the important goals of public health care is to provide quality health care services to all irrespective of people's social or financial status. The poor can seek treatment at the government hospitals at all low rate or free of cost. Some of the important functions of public health care besides low cost or free treatment for the poor are preventing the spread of communicable disease such as TB, jaundice, cholera, chickenpox, etc. Let's talk about private health services. Dear students, private refers to an activity or service that is organized by an individual or company for its own benefit. The private sector today provides a wide range of simple to sophisticated healthcare services. There are a large number of doctors who have their own private clinics. Registered medical practitioners can be found even in rural areas. The demand for healthcare has given a new boost to medical institutions in the private sector in both urban and rural areas. These private institutions range from simple testing laboratories, X-ray, ultrasound centers to super specialty hospitals. Is adequate healthcare available to all? Dear students, for a country like India that still faces mass poverty, the situation needs to be changed radically. We need to maintain social equity and prevent healthcare from becoming an economic business. The expanding role of private sector is not a bad development if healthcare costs are kept at affordable rates. The situation, however, is not so. The costs of private healthcare are too much. Medicines are expensive. Many people find it difficult to afford private services. They borrow money and fall in a sort of debt trap. According to some reports, private sector healthcare is involved in various unethical practices also. Now we will talk about the measures for improvement. Public healthcare system should focus on primary care that includes services like those provided by primary health centers, dispensaries and government hospitals. The private system should focus on tertiary care, which includes specialized consultative care and referral services. There should be better patient management and cross-country networking of healthcare systems. There should be improvement in healthcare, sanitation and quality services, keeping in view the international demand for Indian expertise. That was all about this chapter. Thank you.